Do you have blocked heat exchangers? I bet they're not as bad as this one. We've just received a heat exchanger from a spring manufacturer and it's probably the worst affected we've ever seen. It's completely unusable. I'm Ben Peacock, the technical manager here at Sonic Solutions, and today I'm going to take you through how to clean one of the worst heat exchangers we've ever seen. First of all, we started off with an ultrasonic clean. Put them in a very hot soak because the material that we remove from this is carbonized coolant. If it's not too cooked on, it should just melt away in the ultrasonics. With a little bit of jet washing in between, we should slowly remove all the particulate from in between the heat exchanger. But that's not actually how it ended up. After a number of cycles of ultrasonic cleaning and jet washing over and over in a very hot solution, we still saw no improvement to the heat exchanger. So we have to come up with another option. I called the customer and asked if it would be okay if we used our pyrolysis oven, because we know that using pyrolysis removes 100% of contaminant. After chatting with the customer, we both agreed that it was a good idea to use the pyrolysis oven to remove all the contaminant, because if we didn't do it this way, it would be totally unusable and there would be no reason to even send the heat exchanger back. As you can see, after the burn off, there is a ton of material that's been burnt off underneath. There's layers and layers of ash, and this is something that, if we hadn't have used this method, would have stayed inside the heat exchanger, making it completely useless for future use. After a successful burn off, we did the same cycle as the beginning, where we did ultrasonic cleaning, jet washing, just to get rid of all the small bits of loose particulate and ash. And at the end, we're left with a perfectly clean and serviceable heat exchanger. The customer was extremely happy with the results. So if you have problems with your heat exchangers, hopefully not as bad as this one, I'm sure we've got a solution for you. So just give us a call or an email and let's have a chat. Thank you very much for watching.